Are you an iPhone user who wants to know how to quickly and easily update the Twitter app? In this video, I will show you step by step how to update your Twitter app on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is drag down from the top just like this. And it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find Twitter. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the Twitter app. If you are having issues like crashing, glitches, or bugs with your Twitter app, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. And then, just scroll down and tap on the Twitter app. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App. And then tap on Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the Twitter app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your Twitter app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. Updating the Twitter app to the latest version can provide several benefits. First, updated versions of Twitter often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can make the app run faster and smoother. This can make it easier to use and navigate, which is especially helpful for those who use Twitter frequently. Additionally, newer versions of the app may also include new features that provide a better overall experience. Finally, having the most up-to-date version of Twitter can help ensure your security as well. Newer versions of the app will have improved security measures in place that help protect your account from hackers and other malicious actors. By keeping your app up to date, you can rest assured knowing that your data is safe and secure. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.